Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be doing this very beautiful and a very fresh makeup look using all the products from the brand Wet n Wild. Wet n Wild is a really nice and quite an affordable brand, and it's available on Nike, and I believe it's also available on Myntra. It is a US based brand and it has some really nice and a very good quality products. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos and do subscribe to my channel, and let's get started with today's video. I'll be starting off with some color correcting, and for that I'm taking the Conceal makeup stick. It's a really nice and a very creamy product. It blends so beautifully and it just glides onto the skin. I'm applying it with my fingers just on the under eyes and around the mouth where I have some dark pigmentation. For the foundation, I'm taking their Photofocus foundation. It is a beautiful product. It has this beautiful spatula kind of an applicator, and with the help of that I'm applying a few dots of it around the face, and then with the help of a beauty sponge I'm going to blend it out. It is a really nice and a very beautiful product. It blends out so seamlessly into the skin and looks absolutely stunning throughout the day. It does not move. It is more of a full coverage kind of a foundation and looks really beautiful on the skin. It's quite easy to work with because it does not tug onto the skin, or it does not look cakey or patchy, or does not look heavy on the skin, and I really like this foundation. Next, for the concealer, I'm taking their Photofocus concealer and I'm applying it on the under eyes and the center of the face just to highlight and brighten these areas. It's a beautiful and a very lightweight product and blends out very nicely and seamlessly. It does not look heavy on the skin at all and does not cake or crease on the under eyes, or does not collect into your fine lines, and looks really beautiful and lasts very nicely throughout the day. This is my go-to concealer from the drugstore and I absolutely love this concealer. Now before I move on to setting my face with the powder, I'm going to apply this liquid highlighter. This is the Hello Halo highlighter from Wet n Wild and it is a beautiful product. I'm just taking out some of it on the back of my hand, and then with the help of my beauty sponge I'm applying it on all the high points of the face. As you can see, it is a stunning product and adds that really beautiful glow to the face. It makes you look like you're glowing from within, and since it's a liquid highlighter, it looks really beautiful and natural on the face. And now coming on to setting the face, I'm taking the Photofocus pressed powder. You have seen me use this on my channel a lot of times before, and I've said it multiple times that this is one of my absolute favorite products at the drugstore. It is such a beautiful powder and such a lightweight and a beautifully milled powder, and since it's a pressed powder, it is perfect to be carried around with you throughout the day for any touch-ups. And then to add some warmth and bronze to the face, I'm taking my Your Dragon Me Down bronzer, and with the help of a bronzer brush I'm applying it on the hollows of the cheeks, along the temples of the forehead, along the jawline, and on the sides of the nose. It is a beautiful and a very nice warm toned bronzer. The formula on this is really nice. It just glides onto the skin. It is not a very powdery kind of a bronzer and looks really beautiful on the skin. And next, for the blush, again one of my absolute favorites. This is the Coloricon blush in the shade Mellow Wine. You have seen me use this on my channel a lot of times before. This is one of my absolute favorite blushes, not just at the drugstore but one of my favorite blushes ever. It is such a beautiful neutral peachy kind of a blush and adds such a nice and a very natural flush of color to the face. And next I went ahead and filled in my eyebrows off the camera. And now coming on to the eyes, I'm taking the Coloricon eyeshadow palette in the shade Nude Awakening, and the first shade I'm working with is this very beautiful cool tone matte crease shade, and with a blending brush I'm applying it in the crease and on the outer edges of the eyes. It's a really beautiful neutral tone everyday kind of a palette, and the formula on the eyeshadows can be a tad bit powdery and you might have to build up the colors, but once they've built up to their entire intensity, it looks absolutely stunning. The packaging on this product and some other products from Wet n Wild can be a tad tad bit cheap and they tend to break quite easily, but given the quality of the products and the price, it can be easily overlooked. Next, I'm taking this beautiful light champagne golden shade, and with my finger I'm applying it on the rest of the eyelids. It's a really nice and such a beautiful shade, and it just instantly brightens up your entire eye look. And next I'm taking this beautiful burgundy shade in the palette, and with an angle eyeliner brush I'm using it to apply a faux eyeliner along with my upper lashes. It adds a really nice and a very soft smoky eyeliner look along with the lash line without it being too prominent or too harsh, and looks absolutely beautiful. And next I'm taking the waterproof retractable eyeliner in the shade black, and I'm using it to line my waterline with this. It's a really nice and a very creamy jet black eyeliner pencil and lasts beautifully throughout the day. And then I'm taking the burgundy shade from the eyeshadow palette again on a smaller pencil brush, and I'm using it to smudge out the kajal along with the lower lash line. And lastly, I'm taking this beautiful pinky golden shade, and I'm using it to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. And next, I do not have a mascara from Wet n Wild, so I'm taking my Flower Beauty Warrior Princess mascara, and I'm just loading up my eyelashes with this. It's a really nice and a beautiful mascara. It adds a decent amount of length and volume to your eyelashes. It does not add a very dramatic and in your face kind of a volume, but it does add enough to amp up your entire makeup look. It also is a really nice and a long lasting mascara. It does not smudge or budge or transfer onto your under eyes and lasts really beautifully throughout the day. And lastly, for the lips, I'm taking the Mega Lash lipstick in the shade In the Flesh. It's a stunning nude pink shade, and it is suitable for all Indian skin tones. The formula on this is super creamy, and I just love this line of lipsticks from them. And lastly, I'm just spritzing my face with the matte finish setting spray to melt all the makeup in. And I'm finishing off the look with a plain black bindi. And well, this guys is the final finished look. It looks so nice and fresh and super wearable, and it will suit each and every Indian skin tone and look absolutely stunning on each and every one of you. I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos, show some love, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.